What strategy can you use to add ones to a two-digit number? What is the sum? Let's look at some problems. The first one that we're going to look at is 12 plus 9. How can I add 12 and 9? I have a two-digit number and a one-digit number. Well, one thing that we can do is make the nearest 10. That's one strategy that we can use. The next 10 is the closest 10 to a number that is also greater than that number. So not the one below it, but the one above it. An example would be 22. The next 10 would be 30 because 20 is followed by 30 when you count by tens. When we look at this one, we can use a tens frame. Let's look at 12 plus 9 in a tens frame. Let's look at 12. That will be one full 10 frame because there's one 10. And then two more because there are two ones, two in the ones place. So this is 10, 11, 12. And then we also want to add 9. So I'm going to put those down here. That's not a full 10 frame. That's one less than a full 10 frame. And what I am going to do is I'm going to try to make the nearest 10. If I'm looking at 12, how many more ones do I need to make it to the nearest 10, which is 20? So how much bigger is 20 than 12? 8. I need 8. Let's move them and see. I need to move 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Do you see how that makes one full tens frame? And then how many do I have left in my bottom's 10 frame? 1. So I had 12 and I made the next 10, which would bring it up to 20. So I have 10, 20, and then I had 1 left over. So 20 plus 1 is 21. So 12 plus 9 is 21. Let's look at one more. Let's look at 15 plus 7. I'm going to take these off the chart. Here's 15. 15 has 1 10, so that's one full tens frame, plus 5 ones, and that's these here, not a full tens frame, and I want to add 7. I know that's 5, so I need 2 more. 6, 7. So 15 plus 7. What I'm going to do is try to make the next 10. The next 10 after 15 is 20. How many do I need to add to get to 20 from 15? How many ones? I need to add 5 ones. You see these 5 blank spaces? I need to add those to fill up this tens frame to make the next 10. Let's do that. I'm going to move 5 counters to make the next 10. So I had 15. Now I have 10, 20. And how many do I have left over? 2. So 20 plus 2 equals 22. 15 plus 7 equals 22. All I did was move these counters up to fill up a tens frame, making the nearest 10, and then see how many I have left over and add from there.